In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account name in Wrike. Let's get started right from your Wrike workspace. Make sure you're logged into your account and you can see your usual dashboard or project view on the screen. At the top of the interface, toward the upper left area, you'll see your profile icon. This is usually either your initials or a small profile picture, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. This menu gives you quick access to different personal and account-related options. From here, you want to look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open your settings page. If you don't see it right away, check carefully in the drop-down menu. It should be one of the main options. After clicking Settings, Wrike will take you to a more detailed settings area in a new view. Here, you may see several tabs or sections, depending on your permissions and the type of account you have. Once again, look for Settings within this page. In some layouts, you might be moved first to your personal profile, and then you'll need to choose the Account Settings section. Click on the Settings option that relates to your account rather than just your individual profile. When you're in the correct account settings section, you'll find a field where your current account name is displayed. This might be the name of your team, company, or workspace. Click into that name field so that you can edit it. Carefully type in the new account name you want to use. Take a moment to double check spelling, capitalization, and any internal naming conventions your team follows, since this name may be visible to everyone who uses the account. Once you've entered the new name, follow the on-screen prompts to finish the change. Wrike may ask you to confirm the update, save your changes, or possibly reload the page for the new name to appear everywhere. Make sure you click any save or apply button that appears so your new account name is actually stored. After you've completed those prompts, your account name should be updated across your Wrike workspace. That's all you need to do to change your account name in Wrike.